Okay, let us see how we can show the progress of presently uploading file using PHP and the jQuery. I have already started the PHP's on server here, and this is the setup. It consists of the two files. First is the HTML file, which is very simple. As you can see, there is only one input, that is only one image input, and if I give the image file and press the upload image, it will take me to another file, that is upload.php, and it will simply add the value that is file is uploaded. And if I give some other value, other file which is not an image, and upload it, it will just random that it is not a valid image file. And this is the first file, that is index file, which consists of single form, as you have seen here. Okay, this is the simple form consisting of the single image input. Okay, I named it as image underscore file, and there is one submit button whose value is upload image, and it uploads the image to the file defined in the action, which is nothing but upload.php. And upload.php is very simple. Here I'm just checking if the file, the data is posted to this file, and there is a one valid image format array. Okay, and this inner function will check that if the presently uploaded file has the valid MIME type, that is it is an image file and not the text file. If it is the image file, I will simply move the uploaded file to the location dot which is a temporary folder, and save it as a unique id and destination dot jpeg. Okay, I will show you the content of this temporary directory. Okay, so let's move to the command prompt and let's start. Okay, as you can see, in this folder there are only two files. The contents of these files I have already shown you, and this is the temp file where the image will be uploaded. As you can see, we have already uploaded the two images. Okay, so that was the simple setup. Okay, so as you can see that here, if I upload any image, there is no progress of any kind. Okay, let me start the server once again. Okay, and fine, as you can see, there is no progress of or it didn't show us anything. So we will use the php's or sorry jQuery's plugin for showing this progress bar. As you can see here, we are not using anything, no jQuery and nothing at all, no bootstrap. We will be using the jQuery, and I will use the bootstrap progress bar. So let's have the jQuery first. Go to the cdn.js and have jQuery. Okay, this is the mean version. I'll just copy it and have it as a script. And whose source is this? I'll just copy it and paste it different couple of times. And the next thing I required is jQuery.form. Okay, so this is the first one. Okay, for showing the images, you can copy it and then paste it in here. Okay, so this is the form, and I'll go to the bootstrap and copy the bootstrap CDN. Okay, so these are the CDN for the bootstrap. Let me see, it is the CSS file, so I'll just make one CSS file here, and another file is the JS file for the bootstrap. Okay, I don't require this one. So I have the bootstrap CDN and a couple of jQuery CDN. One is the main jQuery, other is the form plugin, and another is the bootstrap JS. So I think there is all we require in here. Okay, next thing is to show the progress bar itself. So I'll just make use of the bootstrap progress bar. We have different kinds of progress bar available with us, a plain one and with the label. And I like this. Okay, animated progress bar, so I'll just copy it and I'll just paste it inside the form. Let me indent it. Okay, and let's see it in our browser. Okay, looks good. I will just make it as an info bar, and okay, have this class and paste it. Okay, so this is the bar which is a 40% already completed. Okay, let's now see the script which actually shows the progress bar. One thing to remember here is that presently we are moving the data synchronously. That is, whenever we click the upload image button, the entire page is getting refreshed. Actually, we are moving to the another page, that is upload.php page. Okay, but when we are using this plugin, that is jQuery's form plugin, we will be submitting the data asynchronously to the upload.php file, okay, to any file defined in the action attribute of form element. So this is the main concept, and this is the whole idea behind the form plugin, that is this script defined in the action attribute of the form element will be called asynchronously while we show the progress of the progress bar. Okay, let us now do the actual coding. Okay, I'll just add a script below this form, and first of all I'll make this progress bar div invisible, okay, because it is showing in here. As you can see, without uploading the images we are showing the progress bar, and it also consists of the 40% upload status. So let's give the ID to this progress bar as a progress underscore div, and okay, let's hide it using jQuery's hide method. Okay, let's okay, it's now hidden. Okay, the next step is to handle the upload image request. I will be calling this form asynchronously. Let's see how you can do that. If you move to the CDN.js and you see the jQuery's documentation of jQuery's form dot form, and if you click in here, I will just click it in the next tab. Okay, doesn't matter. So these are the various options which are available to us. We will be using the Ajax form. Okay, so I'll just copy it and paste it in here. Okay, so what we will be doing is we will be calling this function whenever we click that submit input button. So I will call, let's use on click method, I will be calling some function that will perform this Ajax action. Name it as a upload image. Okay, save it, copy it, and let's create a function with upload image, and here we will be performing this action asynchronously. Okay, so it requires the form attribute, but we haven't given any ID or any class to the form, so let's give the ID to the form as, say, image underscore form. Let me paste it. Okay, this is the form, and here we will be performing the actual Ajax request. So there are various options available with us in this form plugin. There is a one method before submit, so let's use it. Okay, before submit we do not require any parameter, but what we will be doing is we will be showing this progress div, so which we have hidden initially. So let's show this div using jQuery's show method, and let's initialize this progress bar to the 0 width and 0 percentage. Okay, and we need, in order to address this, we also have to give this progress bar an ID. So I'll just move the width of 40%. We will be changing this width according to the file upload progress. So I'll just remove it and give it ID as bar, and also the value inside the bar will be changing. So I'll keep it inside some span element. Okay, so remove it because initially it should consist of 0%, and I'll also give the ID to this span element as percent. Here we have to make width of the bar element, sorry, width of the bar element to 0%. The percent, that is the span ID, span element should have the value as a 0%, that is span.html should be 0%. Okay, let's see what we get. Upload image, and okay, we are submitting the image directly. This means I must have done something wrong in here. Okay, so here I'm doing I'm getting the image ID, but I'm not doing it properly. Let's see it once again, and if I upload the image, okay, let me refresh it and upload image. Now as you can see, we are seeing the progress bar. Okay, we are not moving to the another page. So okay, so there are the various functions available with us which we can do here, which we can use here. The one thing is important to us is this function upload progress. So let's have this function upload progress, and as shown in here, it consists of the 4 values. First is the event, okay, second is the position, third is the total, and fourth is the percent complete. Okay, so I will be requiring this total and the percent complete. So I'll just add these values to this progress bar. Okay, so the width is the percent complete, write it here, and okay, similarly for this actual percent value. Okay, so let's see, I think this should be working. Okay, so let's open one image, upload image. Okay, it is already working. Okay, as you can see, we are uploading the image, we are showing the progress. Okay, so next thing only remaining is to handle our request. So let's see the another functions which is available in here is success and complete. Okay, so this is one function. Instead of saying function, this is the one parameter that you can provide as a function to this Ajax form. After completing the action, we should be okay. The percent complete bar should be of 100%, so I'll just make it 100%, and the percent value also the also should be the 100%. Okay, and the third parameter is another function, what we do when the action is completed. Okay, so it is also a function, and let's see what the value we get. Okay, so para1, para2. Okay, and let's console.log this parameter. I will just console.log the parameters that we have here. Okay, one more thing is I'll make it invisible when we have completed the action. So what we are showing the div here. We are hiding the div. We are showing when we are showing the upload progress. So we will just fade it out. Okay, fade out when everything is completed. Okay, and let's see what we get. Okay, now let's test this code. If I press the upload image button without providing any file, let's see what happens. Okay, so we are getting these two responses. So the first response is the para1, which is nothing but the object consisting of various fields. In that field, one is the response text show me there is it's not a valid image file. Okay, and the second parameter is the success. Okay, let's now upload image file. Okay, if I upload an image file, press upload button. Okay, so the same, but this time the response text is changed and we have got the input that file is uploaded successfully. And let's upload a file which is not an image. Okay, if I upload this text file, let's see what happens. And also the same kind of response, but only the changing is a response text. It is saying that this time it is not a valid image. Also we'll check this for the file which is of very large size. Okay, if I upload the okay, for let's see, and I press the upload. Okay, okay, so that's one thing we need to change, that when uploading the file we are not resetting the I think we are not resetting the progress bar, therefore it is starting again from 100. So we have to reset it after uploading the file, so it will be starting from 0 again. Okay, so if the file is of the very large size, we also getting the same kind of response, only the response text this time is the warning. Okay, so let's fix these issues. Okay, let's reset the progress bar first back to 0 after we have uploaded the image or any file. Okay, just copy this, both the bar and the text inside it, and I'll set it back to 0% when we have completed the upload progress. Okay, I'll save it and let's check the okay, so okay, first I need to refresh it. Refresh the file and let's upload the image. Okay, and next time let's upload a large file, so we will be able to see if the bar starts from the 100 or 0. Okay, okay, as you can see it is starting from the 0 and not from the 100. Okay, so we have handled this issue, and next is the okay, go on. Next we have to handle this response text value. Okay, we will be getting yes, and the warning, and we are uploading the file successfully. Whether we are uploading file successfully or warning, we are getting this in the response text, but we don't have any means to differentiate between if the file is successfully uploaded or there is some sort of the error. So let's fix this issue. What we will be doing, that if the file is successfully uploaded, we will be showing an image here just below this upload image button. And if there is any error uploading while uploading this file, for example, we have just received the warning, so we will be showing that error in here below. So we need to store it in some kind of container. So let's say I'll name this container as I'll just create a div with the id as upload status. Okay, upload underscore status. Okay, also now okay, let's move on to the file, upload file, and simply here we are outputting the, we are dumping the value, right? If the file is uploaded and not upload, whether the file is uploaded successfully or not uploaded. But what we can do here is we can output the json file, json output consisting of the url when the file is uploaded successfully. So right now I'm doing it directly here, saving the name of the file. So what can I do here is I will just save it into some variable, say image url. Okay, so it now consists the name of the file along with the its address in the folder. Okay, so instead of var dumping the value, I will just echo out the json value. So json encode, and that I think I will give the one parameter url, and that url value is equal to the image url. So okay, so this time when the image is successfully uploaded, we are moving we are storing the image along with its file, along it with folder where it is stored into the image url, and then the image will be uploaded using move upload file, and that url will be sent back as a json output. So okay, so now we have sent the json output to this Ajax form. So we can differentiate it using the data types. For successful output, the data type should be json. So data, we can specify the data type using the data type parameter, and the parameter what we are expecting is the json. So if we get any value other than the json, that would be considered as an error. Okay, so let's test it. Okay, before that, let me save the upload.php file, save the html file, and let's move and refresh this page. Okay, so now let's upload an image file. Okay, we are now in the response text, we are getting the json object, but it is considered as a string and not the object, so we have to parse it. And the second response is the success. But if we upload any text file, okay, so we are getting the parse error. So that's what we needed, because we were expecting the json output, but we are getting some sort of string, therefore it is showing us the parse error, I think. And if we upload the file which is of the whose size is very greater, and let's see, we should also get that parse error. Okay, this time also. Okay, it's completing. Okay, so this time also we got the parse error, and if we upload nothing, this time also we will get the parse error. Okay, so we can now differentiate based on the second parameter. So let's say if the value of parrot2 is equal to success. Okay, then we will be showing an image in the okay, I think we okay in image in this upload div container. So just copy this and let's access it using jQuery. Okay, dot html. And I will be showing the image within this div. So let's get the image. src will be dynamically, and height is the 50 pixel and width is also of 50. Okay, we will be showing this image dynamically inside the upload status div. Here in html I will just paste that image, and src will be the file that we are getting in the response text. Okay, here we will be showing that Ajax output, and okay, in the else part, okay, we will just show that error in uploading image. Okay, as you can see, we are getting this object in the first parameter. Okay, para1 is an object that consists of the response text. So we have to extract that response text from the parameter and convert that to a JSON. I will store this into some variable, let's say image underscore URL, and I'll use the jQuery JSON dot parse method to convert the JSON that we get in the response text. So let's copy it and paste it. Also I'll show you what we get in here. So console.log image URL. Okay, and I'll just remove this. So let's see. Okay, if I upload one image. Okay, so here we get the object consisting of the URL. So we have to extract this URL. Okay, and of course we are not getting any images because there is no src present. So you know the this complete image URL is an object which consists of the one attribute, that is URL. So if we give dot URL, we should be getting only that URL. I'll just refresh the page, open it, upload. Okay, so now we are getting only that URL. So this is what we require in our image src. So I just copy it and append it to here. Okay, so now we should be able to see the image. Let's save it. Okay, this time if I upload the image, so this is the image that we have uploaded, and okay, so this is and if I upload the file which is not an image, okay, we get that error in uploading the image. Also if we upload the file with whose size is very much or very large, so it couldn't be uploaded, or okay, let's see what we get. Okay, we also have to reset this div, before sending the data, so we shouldn't get this message. Okay, we can do that, but let's see what's the output that we get. I think we'll get the same output, that is error in uploading the image, because we are not returning any JSON output. So this is, but it is not refreshing because we are not resetting it. So before sending, yeah, before submitting the value, we should sorry, we should reset this due to back to reset the content of the HTML content of this due back to nothing. That is, just copy it, paste it in here, and set HTML to null before sending this data. Okay, so just simply refresh it, browse the image and upload it. Okay, we got the image, and if I upload the text file, okay, we are getting error in uploading image. And also if I upload this file, okay, so it's gone. So this is how you can upload the image and show the progress while uploading the image. Thank you.